In this video, you'll learn how to make your Notion dashboard more aesthetic by customizing icons and covers, adding widgets, and organizing your layout effectively. This guide will help you create a visually appealing workspace tailored to your preferences. First, open your web browser and navigate to Notion by entering the URL, quote, notion.so. Once the page loads, sign in using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. After logging in, you will see your main workspace and any existing pages you have created. Next, locate the Add icon, typically found in the sidebar or at the bottom of the page. Clicking this icon will allow you to create a new page. Once you have created a new page, you can begin customizing it. To enhance the aesthetics, click on the Icons option, which will prompt a selection of icons to choose from. After selecting Icons, browse through the available options and choose an icon that resonates with the theme of your dashboard. Once you make your selection, the chosen icon will appear next to the page title, adding a visual element to your workspace. To proceed, click on a blank space within the page to ensure your selections are saved. Now, click on the Add Cover option located at the top of your page. This action allows you to select a cover image that represents your page visually. After clicking, you'll be presented with options to change cover. Select this to explore various image sources. Choose the Unsplash option for high-quality images. You can then browse through a variety of cover images available. Once you find a cover that you like, click on it and it will be applied to your page. This visually enhances the overall appeal of your Notion dashboard. Next, click on the three dots located at the top right of your page to access additional layout options. Here, select full width. This option allows your content to stretch across the entire screen, providing a cleaner and more spacious look. To add more structure to your dashboard, click on highlight to emphasize important sections. After this, type in /3 columns to create a 3-column layout. This allows you to organize your content more effectively. Click on the second column to start adding elements. Type in /callout to create a callout box, which is useful for highlighting key information. After typing, click on callout to insert it into your layout. You can drag the 6 dots icon to position this callout box where you want it on the dashboard. Repeat this process for the third column to maintain consistency. Once your columns are set up, type in to-do list to create a task list within the callout box. It is essential to maintain a clear organization as you add items. For visual enhancement, drag the 6 dots to align your content neatly within the callout. To further customize your dashboard, go to Widgetly and choose a widget that suits your aesthetic needs, such as a clock. After selecting your widget, type the name of the clock you prefer and choose its theme and time zone settings. Ensure you click on Show Title, Show Seconds, and Show Date to include these features in your widget. Once you have configured your widget settings, click on Copy Link to get the embed link for your widget. Return to Notion and click on the first column where you want to add the widget. Type in /embed and select Embed from the options. Paste the link you copied earlier and click on Embed Link. This action will insert the widget into your Notion page. To finalize your layout, click on the 6 dots to drag and adjust the positioning of your widget. You can also select a background color such as green to enhance the visual appeal of the section. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.